Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this slide now. So in this slide, you're going to say how these two things that you read are the same and how they're different. So in Night Came from the Sea, I'll give you one example. Night Came from the Sea, basically the story is that this goddess brought the night from the water and brought it to the land. So here I might say, the goddess brought night from the sea. And the real reason, the one that we learned about on Wonderopolis, is that night comes when the earth is facing away from the sun. So those are my two examples. Now your job is to give your own examples of how the two different things are the same, or actually how they're different.